Hi, Dan here, Amazing Framer. Not really framing today. Well, I am not framing today. Instead, I am doing landscaping perimeter. This video is on how to do landscaping perimeter with wood. In this case, they are 6x6 PWF posts. This one I did last weekend. And this is the one that I'm working on now. Alright, so each block is a certain length. I have chosen to go with 11 inches. And this is about a 5-degree angle. So, what you can do, there's two things you can do. If you want to change the arc, let's say it's circular, the perimeter that you're doing. If you want to change the arc, there's two things you can do. Obviously change the angle, which to be honest with you, this is the one thing I don't really like doing. What I do is I will change the length of the block, and that will adjust my arch or my curve. So actually originally I was doing 12 inches and I cut about 4 blocks, and I felt that the circle, the arc was too much. So I just went down an inch and I found it is working perfect. Now what you have to do is you have to decide on your own what arch you want or arc you want and adjust. I can tell you this, don't overthink it. And what I do is when I'm screwing them together, this whole bottom row here is now fastened together. I use outdoor screws, and of course we put this on everything PL 400. Alright, so this here block was actually the first block I cut. It is 12 inches from here to here. But as you know, as I mentioned, I've changed the blocks to 11 inches to make it a bit more of a tighter circle. So I keep this one because I want to keep my angle the same. So I always trace with this block. So we'll mark 11 inches. Flush the edge. All right. Now what you want to do is you want to square this line to the other side of the 6x6. So we go straight down, square it down. This edge is squared down with factory. Well, it's landscaping, people, so it's not a piano. Okay? So I squared this side down and I squared this side down. Roll the 6x6 and you connect the dots, or in this case, lines. Cut these two lines. Roll the 6x6 right over 180 degrees. Cut these two lines. a 6x6. I have the privilege of having a second saw. It's already set, and it's actually 4 degrees. And connect your saw curves. Alright, so the saw isn't quite deep enough. So this is where it's technical. This is going to be your outside face, finish the side you're going to see. So you flip it and you beat it. Now you want to clean that up. That one. So instead of whacking it with the old hammer, I guess, you can use the old buck saw. Yeah, that works pretty good. I recommend that. Alright, let's install blocks. So yeah, just keep using the screws and you can manipulate everything, get it all as clean as possible. Remember, it's landscaping, it's not a piano. Perimeter's done.
Finished. Thank you for watching, and perhaps please subscribe if you so desire.